Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoAl Predictor, your primary destination for deep dive technical analysis and AI-driven market forecasts. Today, we are taking a closer look at a project that has become the massive factory behind the modular blockchain revolution. It is a protocol that allows anyone to launch their own high-performance blockchain with just a few clicks, and the data we are seeing for 2026 is nothing short of incredible. Stick around until the very end because our AI models have just processed the latest on-chain deployment stats and ecosystem TVL, and we've identified an explosive price target for this coin during the height of this bull run. Make sure to subscribe to support the channel and stay updated on every major AI signal. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. The infrastructure bottleneck. Why launching a chain is hard. In the early days of crypto, if you wanted to build your own blockchain, you needed a massive team of developers, millions in funding, and months, if not years, of research. This complexity has been a massive bottleneck for innovation. Developers want to build games, DeFi protocols, and social apps, but they get stuck managing the heavy infrastructure of the blockchain itself. This is the deployment barrier, and it is exactly what Caldera was built to destroy. In 2026, we are seeing a massive shift toward Rollup as a service, where the infrastructure is simplified so the focus can return to the apps. What is Caldera? The Rollup factory. Caldera is a leading modular blockchain infrastructure platform. It enables developers to launch customizable, high-performance rollups, which are app-specific chains, while still leveraging the massive security of Ethereum. Think of Caldera as a one-click deployer for blockchains. Instead of building from scratch, a project can use Caldera's Rollup engine to spin up a dedicated chain optimized for their specific needs, whether that's high-speed gaming or privacy-focused finance. The power of the meta layer. What truly separates Caldera in 2026 is its meta layer. This is a unifying layer that connects all the different rollups built on the platform. It allows these individual islands to communicate, share liquidity, and transfer assets seamlessly. It solves the problem of fragmentation, making dozens of different chains feel like one single, massive network. A growing ecosystem from Manta to ApeChain. Caldera isn't just a theoretical tool. It is already the backbone for over 75 active rollups. We are talking about major players like Manta Pacific, ApeChain, and Injectives in EVM. These projects have processed hundreds of millions of transactions and secured over 500 million units in total value locked. As the Internet of Rollups continues to expand, Caldera is positioned as the primary landlord of this new digital territory. The ERA token, the on-chain gas engine. The ERA token is the native utility heart of the Caldera ecosystem. It was designed to solve one of the most annoying problems in Web3, needing a different gas token for every single chain you use. Omni-chain gas fees. ERA serves as a universal gas token. You can use ERA to pay for transactions across any rollup within the Caldera network, regardless of which specific chain you are on. Network staking. To secure the meta layer and verify cross-chain messages, operators must stake ERA. This removes tokens from circulation and aligns the interests of the operators with the health of the network. Governance. ERA holders have a direct say in the protocol's future, voting on technical upgrades and how the DAO treasury is spent to grow the ecosystem. With a total supply of 1 billion tokens and a strategic release schedule, the utility-driven demand for ERA is scaling directly with every new chain that launches on the platform. The AI prediction, targeting 3.1 US. Now, let's look at the data our AI models have been crunching. We've analyzed the 121% surge in price following its major exchange listings and the massive growth in developer activity on the meta layer. Our AI looks at the infrastructure multiplier. In 2026, we are moving away from monolithic blockchains and toward a modular future. As more real-world assets and AI-powered gaming chains choose Caldera for their deployment, the demand for the ERA gas token is projected to hit a critical mass. The AI prediction. Based on the current ecosystem TVL growth and the increasing burn rate of gas fees within the meta layer, Our models predict that Caldera could reach a target of 3.1 US during this bull run. Why 3.1 US is a realistic destination? To reach 3.1 US, ERA would need to achieve a market capitalization that places it among the top infrastructure leaders in the modular space. Given its backing by giants like Sequoia Capital and its role as the primary provider for over 75 blockchains, a 3.1 billion unit valuation is considered highly attainable by our AI. At this price, ERA would be reflecting its status as the universal fuel for the modular era, proving that the future of blockchain isn't just one chain. It's thousands of interconnected chains powered by a single token. Final thoughts: the modular future. Caldera is proving that scaling doesn't have to be complicated. By giving every project its own dedicated space, while keeping everything connected, they are building the foundation for a truly global Web3. Keep a close eye on the number of new chain deployments and the total volume moving through the metal air throughout 2026. The data is moving fast, and the Internet of Rollups is officially open for business. Thank you for tuning into CryptoAl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we continue to track the most advanced infrastructure in the space.